I'm all finished, guys. Y'all see that? See that? What's wrong with this picture? First, before we get into the video, I gave my neighbor these gold frames as she was moving out of the building. She loves gold. I love silver. Now, my neighbor took these gold frames that I gave her and she did this. Yes, that is absolutely beautiful. She bought another frame, bought a gold poster board, put it in the frame, and glued the frame that I gave her onto the front of the mirror. That is absolutely beautiful. Very creative. Don't tell me we don't have a lot of creative people in this world. Now on to our video. Thank you all so much for coming back to my channel once again. I really appreciate you guys. First off, I want to say, if you are in a stressful situation, somebody's bothering you, somebody's putting you down, get away from them. You don't have to put up with that type of foolishness. I did for years. But I don't put up with it for 1 second anymore from no one. I don't care who they are. And I do mean I don't care who they are. Now, today, I am bringing you this beautiful wall decor. This is another vision of mine. I know it's going to turn out just as beautiful as my two-tiered coffee tray that I made, that I had that vision in my mind too. So, without further ado, let's get into this video. First off, I'm starting with this 11 by 14 frame that I got from Family Dollar. This frame was a little darker, but I spray painted it silver metallic. I'm going to take some of my glam glitter here with my Mod Podge and put it around this frame. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell also so you can be notified of whenever I upload videos. I am in the process of decorating my beautiful new apartment. And I have a lot of unique videos coming up. So you definitely don't want to miss any of those videos. I'm going to move this to the side, let it dry. We're going to come on back with the next step. When I have peace in my life, I can get so much more done without the foolishness, without the stress, and go ahead and live my life in peace. Trust me, from my own experience, you got some crazy, toxic, narcissistic person in your life, get them out before it's too late. The glitter frame is dry, and I'm going to spray some acrylic sealer gloss finish on top to keep the fall off from any excessive glitter. Next, I have to create a box for our florals to go in. This is the second box I'm working on, so each side. Now I just need to glue it up, let it dry, and then glue it to the mirror. I'm using just a little wood glue on here. I'm going to take the dowel, place it on there, making sure I got at least one side even. I'm going to use one of my clamps, clamp it together. I'll leave it to dry. Next, I'm going to take some rhinestone and I'm going to glue it going around this wood piece. But first, I want to ask you all, and please comment if you've experienced this problem. I've been ordering this rhinestone ribbon for 3 years now, and I've never had this problem. I'm getting rhinestone ribbon now where it's breaking. I don't know if you all can see that, but it's a break in it. And the last 2 rows that I've had, this is pretty frustrating. Look at here. See that? Then look at there. There's another break in it. I'm having to cut it out. There's one piece. Here's another piece. Where is it? Same thing at the top of here. And I finally called them and told them, look, I've been ordering this for 3 years. I've never had any problems. And the last 2 rows that I've had, I've experienced this problem. If you all are having that problem, let me know. Let Amazon know too. Next, I'm going to glue a piece of styrofoam to the back of this, and this is where the florals, I'll be able to stick the florals in. And so I'm taking some E6000 and some hot glue. This plexiglass here, 0.4 millimeters or something. I have to look it up and put it on here. But anyway, it was too thin. So I took 2 sheets and put them together. Then I had a problem with the glue showing a little bit. So I just decided to take some of this silver tape and put it around the edges. That solved that problem. Because what I was about to do was go online to Amazon, and I found some that's a little thicker. 2 sheets was $6.99, but I can get the 11 by 14 sheets at Hobby Lobby for 99 cents. I'm about saving my coins, so I decided just go to Hobby Lobby and spend $4 and some change and get those sheets instead of spending $7 and just put them together. Nobody's going to know except me and you all now that I told you. And I'm going to have a mirror to go on top. I'm going to use some hot glue on this and hope it works. I cleaned my mirror with some Goo Gone and some glass cleaner from Walmart. And next, I am going to take 1 bead of the rhinestone ribbon and put it right in this section to try to cover that, because when I put it on the mirror, you can see it showing some. So I'm just going to see if I can add one more bead. Okay, now I'm going to glue the box onto the mirror. I'm just going to use some hot glue. Hope it stays together. And I messed up, guys, but I think it's okay because I didn't mean to put the glue on the bottom side down here. I just wanted to put it up on this section where the mirror, where the box is on top of the mirror. But we'll see in just a minute. This is what I got so far. These are the florals that I'm going to use. So you get the idea of what I'm doing. I'm going to finish the rest off camera. And when you got a section, the stem showing, and it looks horrible, you just want to take some moss and put down in there. And I'll be back with the reveal, guys. Okay, guys, I got that all done and ready for the reveal, and this happened. You see, it just came off. Guys, remember when I glued it down the first time and I said I shouldn't put glue all the way around because it's got a little hump between the mirror on this frame and the plexiglass? Well, this time around, I'm using some stronger glue up here and just a little hot glue and nothing down on this section. I'm all finished, guys. This turned out so beautiful. But guys, you gotta come back. This is only a semi reveal. The full reveal will be when I do the living room decorating. So make sure you come back. Make sure you're subscribed in order to see the full thing. Thank you guys for coming back and watching another video. I hope you can recreate something like this and you all be blessed.